Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 10 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. We're into double digits, people. So well done for getting so far. Today we're going to focus on the twisted version of the extended side angle pose. So Pavritta Parsvakonasana. As always, we've got our pieces of bread and we've got a little bit of filling that we're going to get into our pieces of bread. Okay, so we'll begin with the opening chant as always. Come to a comfortable standing position. Take a few moments to feel grounded, connect with the breath. Remember your principles of Ashtanga. You've got Dristi, Bandha, Ujjayi breath. We're working into asana and vinyasa. Take a breath in. Vande Gurunam Charna Ravinde Samdasht Satsva Sapara Bodhe Neshte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsara Hala Hala Muha Shantye Babahu Purushakaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So releasing the hands, choosing the base, seated, all fours or standing. We'll begin with Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale, lift the arms up. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Remember your options with your knees. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space, hands stay on the floor. Chatvare, exhale, plank or knees down plank, chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Shat, exhale, downward dog. 1, so remember all your variations here from seated and all fours position. 2, if you're in downward dog, you might walk the dog, just beginning to warm up the body, let the breath heat the body. 3, really begin to work into your Ujjayi breath. 4, breath stays in the nostrils, mouth stays closed. And 5, look forward. Supta, so step, jog or jump through. Ashtanga, to fold. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samastitihi. And again. Ekam, inhale, lift the arms. Dve, exhale, fold forwards. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chatvare, exhale, chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Shat, exhale, downward dog or child. 1, remember knees down is always an option. 2, regulate the breath. 3, 4, firm the muscles of the legs, let the head dangle. Remember your Dristi. 5, look forward. Supta, inhale, come through. Ashtanga, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, rise up. Exhale, Samastitihi. So Surya Namaskar B, remember all of your options here. Begins with a sit back. Inhale, sit back, so Utkatasana. Exhale to fold. Inhale, lift the heart space. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. Right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. Remember, it's just the arms if you're seated. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. If you're on all fours, you can do the steps through. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. 1, settle into the breath. 2. See where you can relax. 3. 4. Relax around the jawline. And 5. Look forward. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samasthiti. So now we'll take a vinyasa. Actually, no, we'll stay standing. So from here, inhale, step out to the right side. I'll turn around so I can still see you. Pivot the feet. So we're into extended side angle. Exhale. So remember your options here. Forearm can come down. You can swoosh the arm forward, or you can bring the hands to rest on the floor. We're not going to stay long. This is taking us into the twist version. Look down to the floor. You can look to the fingertips or straight ahead. Choose your drishti. And then swing the arm down. Inhale. Remember that ninja transition, so stay low. Exhale. Left forearm down or hands to the floor, your choice. Breathing. Choose your drishti. Keep weighting the back heel. Lift the back inner thigh. Okay, so now we're going to the twist version. So we look down, inhale, lift up. Change direction again. So point the toes in. This time, bring the right hand to the sacrum. Square the hips, lift the chest, lift the left arm. Exhale, as you bend the knee, begin to carry that left elbow over. Keep weighting the back heel. You might stay up here. Bring the hands to a prayer position. You might bend lower. You might shift the elbow right over the knee. Or you might be able to bring the hands to the floor and take the right arm forward. Any of those options is fine. Up here is nice. Looking for a nice rotation. That's it. We'll call that 3. So draw the right hip back, left hip forward. 4. You can keep shimmying yourself over that leg. It's a deep twist. Good. You're doing really well. 5. Look down. Inhale, press into the front heel and kind of windmill the arms as you change direction. So windmill, turning all the way around. Make sure you square the hips. Left hands to the sacrum like a spirit level, like before. Inhale, lift the arm up, lift the chest. Exhale, as you bend the knee, carry that right elbow over. Remember your options here. You might stay up here. This is fine. 1. So as always, I'll take you through all of the options. 2. Good. You might want to shift your rib cage over. That's a nice thing to do to get into the twist. 3. Don't strain to bring the hand down. Only if it comes down easily, do that. 4. If you lose your breath, come all the way back up. Remember, the breath comes first. Good. Make sure you can breathe. And 5. From here, look down. Inhale, lift up. Arms out to the side. Square the feet. Exhale, come through. Samasthiti. Vinyasa to the final 3. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Up bend of choice. Exhale to dog. Look forward. Inhale, step, juggle, jump through to seated. Our friend, the second piece of bread, Baddha Konasana. Cross the arms behind the back. Remember your options. You can do full lotus if you wish to. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, fold. 1. Now Sagrai Drishti off the tip of the nose and beyond. Remember Pinocchio. 2. Relax the back of the neck. So tuck the chin in. 3. You may already have reached where you need to be. That's fine. 4. Any sensation in the knee, I want you to stretch the legs out. You don't want to feel anything in your knees. 5. If you feel happy, you can continue to fold forwards. 6. Tuck the lower abdominals in. 7. Remember the bandhas, the breath. No sleeping. 8. Don't close the eyes. 9, 10. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, lift up as we come to Padmasana. Exhale, drop the chin to the chest. 1. Remember the pressure. Remember butterflies. 2. Positioning of the spine nicely on the upright. 3. Really focus on the breath. 4. Remember, I'm only counting a period of time. 5. So you find the rhythm of your breath within that period of time. 6. 7. Same dristi, keep your focus. 8. 9. 10. Inhale, lift the gaze. Exhale, release. Ripple out the fingers. We got the sting in the tail. Utplutihi, to lift up. Hands by the hips. So remember your options here. Practice looks different on different days. I'm going to stay grounded today. See what you need to do. If you want to lift up, lift it up. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1. Look forward. 2. So squeeze everything in the lower body. 3. Steady your breath. Strong your ujjayi. 4. Squeeze. 5. Good. 6. We're nearly there. You can do it. 7. Don't give up. You can do it. If you need to come down, that's all right. 8. But stay in the focus. 9. Squeezing. 10. Exhale, release down. Well done. Circle out the wrists. We got the final vinyasa to freedom. Remember, you can do this seated or you can tuck the toes. Stepping or jumping forwards. Exhale. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale comes through. And lay all the way down for Shavasana. At last. Open the palms of the hands. Take a big inhale. Close the eyes. Exhale out through the mouth. And again, inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Letting go of Bandha, Dristi, Ujjayi, and the count. Drifting towards stillness for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, please do. Otherwise, beginning to deepen the breath. Bringing movements to fingers and toes as you move the head slowly from side to side. And then take a long inhale as you stretch. Exhale to let go. And bending at the elbows, bending at the knees, gather the knees in. For a big thank you to the body. Then roll over to one side. Pause there for a moment. Observe if there have been any changes in your body, your mind, your breath. And then pressing yourself up to comfortable seated. Sit nice and tall. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. And gently bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale to lift, the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me on day 10. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you for our continued challenge. Take care.